I'm installing one of these things right now. It's a replacement one of these. I don't know if it's the same. Why am I putting a new one on? Because I want a nice flashy one. And this one's mucky, ugly looking. So I thought I'd put a nice, pretty one on. Bike deserves its old. So let me point you in this direction here. Let me point you right here where I'll be working. Is that the right spot right there? These are GIS screwdrivers, which apparently don't work on this because this is an Allen head. Yeah, great. I'll be right back. Hold on. Yeah, somebody put a Allen head on here. Don't ask me why, but it's got an Allen head screwdriver. It makes sense. Maybe it was me. I don't know. But it's not correct, and it's not politically correct. So you put on there. It's not politically correct. Put this over here. Somewhere over here. You want those little magnetic things? Let's see. Take this off of here. Come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. There we go. Take this off of here. Put that back on there so I don't lose it. What I'll do is I'll polish this up and make it look pretty. Again, one day. It's still good, I just wanted something a little chromy looking. This is a much nicer one, see? Looks pretty. Pretty. Let's see, where's the screwdriver? As far as I know, what I've been told online is all the old bikes use the JIS standard, Japanese industrial standard screws, and I don't think they use it anymore. But even then, if you have an older Japanese anything, they will take a JIS thing, so let's try not to lose the screws on here. So there we go, like this. Try not to lose this. There we go. Come on, get in there. Come on, get in there. There we go. That on there. Am I expert at this? No. Do I like doing this? That's fine. It is what it is. Let's put this way. Screw it on the bottom. There we go. Nice. Right, pretty little handle. Now let's see. Can we get this out of here? Not sure. Gotta line this up like so. I think you gotta pull. Shit. Gotta loosen up the cable here. Cable should go all the way in. Yeah, we're gonna have to loosen up the bottom cable. Hold on. Loosen up the bottom. There we go. Loosen up the bottom cable a bit. Go here. Gotta line this. Gotta pull this, line it up, and then pop it out there. Ta-da! See that? Tighten this up. What I will do is I'll repolish this. I'll get it nice and bright and shiny. Maybe I'll play with this thing a little while. Put it on my buffing wheel, see how it works. Now we take this, line it up here. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun. Maybe I should have put this on there first, right? Yeah, maybe I should do that. Hold on. Maybe I should move it. Just loosen this up. Probably a good idea. There we go. This over here like so. Put that in there. That through there. Come on. Yeah, I didn't line it up properly. There we go. Line it up. Come on, line up. There we go. There we go. It's in there. And now we got. There we go. Look at that. Fabulous. Fantabulous. It was what? 12 bucks, I think, for this thing. It's not the original. It doesn't have to be. Because obviously certain things don't have to be original. They just gotta look like they're nice. I'd like to repaint this. I do have another handlebar that is not bent, thankfully. So that'll get changed. And if you keep watching, hold on, let me turn this. If you keep watching, I'm going to change out a lot of parts in here. I'm going to repaint things and make this bike look a little prettier. Doesn't look pretty at the moment. The gas tank is the only thing I'm worried about. I might send this to my dude online, see if we can pull some dents out of it and have it lined. So keep watching. And I'm going to buy one of those little poles with a little thing to hold my, probably get a camera to hold it and just drive around and make some, what do you call it, videos. So stay tuned, keep watching, and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to click some buttons.